Come test drive the 2023 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, remote start, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.